research has shown that being overweight leads to diabetes, heart disease, certain cancers, even Alzheimer's. But what's not in these studies is the emotional strain that those extra pounds add on. Feelings of embarrassment, shame, lack of self-worth. We know it's a problem. It stares us in the mirror every day. We feel the weight. And most of us have tried everything. The crazy diets, measuring, calorie counting, even starvation. And time again, we fail. You ask yourself, why can't I lose it? Why can't I keep it off? What's wrong with me? But what if you knew that it isn't your fault? That's right. A major reason why you're unable to manage your weight is because it may be out of your control. What if I told you that your entire body has been reprogrammed? What if you are addicted? Addicted to a substance that is more dangerous and prolific than any drug or chemical. Sugar. It's white, it's sweet, it tastes delicious, it's everywhere. And it has the power to change the way you feel about food and how you digest, absorb, and metabolize sugar, all resulting in uncontrollable weight gain. Now, this reprogramming didn't happen overnight, not with just one scoop. It's estimated that we eat close to 200 pounds of sugar a year. Yes, it's in things you know, soda, chips, candy, but it's also lurking in breads, cereals, sauces, and meats. And it's deliberately added to our foods to up the factor. I bet you can't eat just one. Why? Because sugar triggers your brain's reward response, the pleasure center. You eat a sugar-laced food and your brain lights up like a Christmas tree. It feels good and you want more. You see, our bodies were designed to handle sugar, but not at this volume. We're in an age of sugar excess. The natural sweetness meant to be enjoyed in moderation has been extracted and altered so that it's in almost everything and is much too accessible. Usually your body would just take it in, recognize it as a quick source of energy, and use it right away. But since our bodies are overloaded, it causes the systems to redirect the sugar and store it as fat. And sure enough, you start packing on the pounds. And as we ingest these foods, we are feeding our reward response. It gets stronger. We need more. And now we're out of control. With your environment and your own mind and body working against you, you need an ally in this fight. And now, you have the support you need with Real Weight. Real Weight changes the way your body responds to and treats sugar, allowing it to digest, absorb, and metabolize sugar in a process that promotes energy expenditure rather than storage. This creates dramatic weight loss. Real Weight is a proprietary blend of synergistic, natural, plant-based nutrients. Complemented by 10 specific vitamins and minerals, the essence of the Real Weight formula is a blend of raw organic green coffee extract, rich in plant polyphenols, highly concentrated prickly pear cactus, and marine microalgae extract. These ingredients safely reduce the effect sugar has on your body, burning those specific calories and reducing the reward response that fuels your sugar addiction. And pretty soon, those cravings for bad carbs are a thing of the past. We call Real Weight willpower in a bottle. It allows you to take back control. Real Weight can help you lose weight and keep it off. Real Weight gives you the freedom to live a healthy life. And isn't being healthy the best reward? Take control. Lose weight and feel great with Real Weight.